let's go. Mud spraying, beat banging, stomp, stomp, rumble. Hands high, roll out, flags wave, tumble. Boots hitting fire, lifting, I don't fumble. Gasoline, clear sky, we rumble, we rumble. Never stumble, never tumble. Low truck, engine snarl, gravel kicking wide. Window down, air thick, laughter running wild. Passing by tie barns, headlights circle fast. Shirts tight, sneakers hang, let it last. Hold up. Fence line, stretch boots, heavy pause and dash. Flick the ash, red spark, pull, start rolling. Heel echo steady, no slowing, no slowing. Mud spraying, beat banging, stomp, stomp, rumble. Hands high, roll out, flags wave, tumble. Boots hitting fire, lifting, I don't fumble. Gasoline, clear sky, we rumble, we rumble. Never stumble, never stumble, never tumble. Never stumble, never tumble. Smoke swirl, log split, stick in a flame. Shout years, count cheers, shouting on name. Crush cans, tie tracks, cold breath quick. Laugh, crack, shadows jump, flick, flick. Bring it back. Hard thrash, dirt splash, wheel slip, click, click. Lift the glass, deep bass, crowd all shaking. Beer grins, loud since daylight taking. Mud spraying, beat banging, stomp, stomp, rumble. Hands high, roll out, flags wave, tumble. Boots hitting fire, lifting, I don't fumble. Gasoline, clear sky, we rumble, we rumble. Never stumble, never tumble, never tumble. Bump in the ground, shake, shake, rattle that sound, break, break, break. Mud in the veins, chase, chase, we rumble, never tumble. Ash in the grass, boots thumping slow. Night crackle, fire low, never let go. Baby roam, live atone. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bloody thunder, walk for dirt, built for wonder. In a double wide, mama worked 3 jobs just to get by. Now I'm rising up from nothing at all. Started small, now I'm standing and tall. Every scar tells a story I earned, every bridge that I had to burn. Dirt roads taught me how to fight, now I'm claiming what's mine tonight. From the ground up, never gonna bow down, bow down. Hey! I'm running thunder, baby. I'm running thunder, baby. Used to dream in that bedroom small. Now I'm breaking down every wall. Took the long way, paid my dues. Got these muddy boots and nothing to lose. Country boy with a rebel heart, knew I'd make it right from the start. Blood and sweat in every line, this backwoods soul was born to shine. From the ground up, never gonna bow down, bow down. Hey, hey. I'm running thunder, baby. Running thunder, baby. Thunder rolling in my chest, mud beneath these boots, I'm blessed. Built myself up stone by stone, now this dirt road is my throne. Thunder rolling, I'm mud and thunder, baby. Mud and thunder, baby. Yeah, yeah, mud and thunder. From the dirt, on for wonder. Yeah, thunder.
Stone, banjo cut, 808's pour. Hey, y'all ready? Bring it up, real loud.
Sunset grills lit high, lifters roaring, bellies full of bush, backwoods stories pouring. Overalls muddy, shirt off the back, circle up the Fords on that deep back track. Chrome pipes rattling, flag flying proud, tailgate prophets preaching holler loud. Hop up, double dairy 20 deep in, riding shoddy, yelling boy, let's begin. You got grit, show it, let the mud spray. Ain't here to pose, we buck wild all day. Bonfire, jump and stomp, hard raise that can. Brotherhood, blood tough as any man. Mud Creek stomp, turn it loose, raise hell. Boots crash down, every beat rebel yell. Stars above, witness the South tonight. Cold beers clashing in the firelight. Mud Creek stomp, everybody chanting. Rattle them cans, let the anthem happen. Old John Deere Park, now we making racket. Moonshine twist off, camo on the jacket. Shots fired up, not a cloud in sight. Tailgate trophies where we test our might. Lights flash off that beat up Chevy grill. Rooster crows echo from the edge of the hill. Outlaw pride never ran, never baked. This dirt and red while we two-step late. You got nerve, prove it, let that beat hit. Southern bred back rows never wanna quit. Raise that rebel, let your boost on me. This ain't no dance, it's a way, it's a scene. Mud Creek stomp, turn it loose, raise hell. Boots crash down, every beat rebel yell. Stars above, witness the South tonight. Cold beers clashing in the firelight. Mud Creek stomp, everybody chanting. Rattle them cans, let the anthem happen. Backwoods vibe running wild, no sleep. Brothers arm in arm, dragging you in deep. Chorus explodes, every soul aligned. Freedom, outlaw, pride combined. Raise hell, boots crash down, every beat rebel yell. Stars above, witness the South tonight. Cold beers clashing in the firelight. Mud Creek stomp, everybody chanting. Rattle them cans, let the anthem happen. Hood on the slide, steed on the slide. Ties on double D, will we try? Mud Creek stomp, we no more mind. Slide, South's hard bowling, we move a stride. Mud Creek stomp, we ain't going quiet. Boom down, dust flies. Backseat stacking, firelight flicks, cold cans clacking, flags wave wild, grand stomping proud. Hey! Lift it up, burn it out, getting rowdy now. Bonfire jumping, boot stomp. Let's go! Mud flying, no slowing down. Rolling big wheels, hydro dip steel rims, teeth flash, hands tough, raw like brimstone. Dirt road veins, red clay in my grin, chilled up shirt, rib, wild wind deep in my bones. Brothers on every side, midnight phrase, laughter cracking in the blue haze. Overhead star sharp, wide open face, roaring, freedom locked in my ways. Thump from the box, while in my lane, can't tame. Thunder in my frame, stomping hard, breaking chain. cracking, backseat stacking, firelight flicks, cold cans clacking, flags wave, wild grin stomping proud. Lift it up, burn it out, getting rowdy now. Bonfire jumping, boot stomp, mud flying, no slowing down. Spit in the dirt, spit shine hard. All night two-step through hard spark. Rib cage rattle, groove in the dark. King of this field with my badge marked. Bare knuckle scars, boots worn raw. Call it a code, live it by law. Never back quarter, chin up, stand tall. No shame when the wild nights call. Bonfire flare, blaze on skin. Throat's gone raw from shouting again. Grip to the wheel, wild within. Can't cage the pride, can't fence me in. Stomp mud cracking, backseat stacking, firelight flicks, cold cans clacking, flags wave, wild grin stomping proud. Hey! Lift it up, burn it out, getting rowdy now. Bonfire jumping, boot stomp. Whoa! Mud flying, no slowing down. Boot stomp, hearts pounding, never coming down.
Yeah, straight out of mud, boot stomp, heart thumping, crowd jumping.
Brother, light it up. Twist that key, engine wheezing, crack speaker screaming. Dust clouds throttle down, barely breathe. Stars cutting through the haze, hell raising phase. Just me, my crew, back rows ablaze. Grit sticking on my grin, these sins taste sweet. Sneer on my cheek, full tank, no sleep. Gasoline veins full of rage. We ride where fences end, break the old cage. We backwoods born, loud with the pride. Flag flying high wire, never gonna hide. Crowd crashes in the mud, fire up that sound. Outlaw hearts beating, yeah, we run this town. Hands high, sky crack, screaming for miles. Brotherhood binds burning wild. Raise hell, wheel spin, ain't calm, ain't mild. Backwoods born, loud lives, untamed styles. Cold beer, bonfire, spitting, laughter rolling thick. Boots stomp, spark up, hit or miss. Banjo sneer, steel slide, air heavy with lust. Damn right, we cuss, scar, smoke, and dust. Night wolves, rebel blood, waving stripes and smoke. Cussed up and cut loose, we the untamed folk. Miles from the law, just laws of our own. Raised on backbeats, elbows, and broken down bones. Gasoline veins full of rage. We ride where fences end, break the old cage. We backwoods born, loud with the pride. Flag flying high, wide, never gonna hide. Crowd crashes in the mud, fire up that sound. Outlaw hearts beating, yeah, we run this town. Hands high, sky crack, screaming for miles. Brotherhood binds burning wild. Raise hell, wheel spin, ain't calm, ain't mild. Backwoods born, loud lives, untamed styles. If I'm tame, raised rough, talk tough. Swamp water in my cup, called all your bluffs. Gun at sunset, painting dirt in the dusk. Ash in the air, go and try your luck. We backwoods born, loud with the pride. Flag flying high, wide, never gonna hide. Crowd crashes in the mud, fire up that sound. Outlaw hearts beating, yeah, we run this town. Hands high, sky crack, screaming for miles. Brotherhood binds burning wild. Raise hell, wheel spin, ain't calm, ain't mild. Backwoods born, loud lives, untamed styles. just can't stop. Stars flicker out, but the fire still pops. Boot prints, beer cans, outlaw stomp. Whole crew loaded in the Chevy, paint red clay. Hard as a memory, dust in the headlights, back row remedy. Whoops so loud you could feel it in your chest, yeah. And a bandana around my neck, sweat on my hands. Flag on the dash, gotta love this land. Holler louder than a preacher when the beat land. Bonfire high, can't you smell that pine, man? Ain't no city sound can chase us home. Freedom in these boots, this mess we own. Rattling in the bed, just borrowed time. Tonight, we heavy, wild, and prime. Raise one up, let the tailgate drop. Mud ain't dry, we just can't stop. Stars flicker out, but the fire still pops. Boot prints, beer cans, outlaw stone. Brother, you hear that grin? Gravel spit and the night weighs in. Banjos cackle, coals kick, wind, still heat left in those bones we been. Left foot on the fender, bottles passed, can't count wins, so we just laugh. Sun'll catch us, but that's not now. Line 'em up deep, let me show you how. 10 toes down in this muddy craze, blurred up faces caught in blaze. Barbed wire miles in the high beam shake, never thinking twice of the rules we break. Raise one up, let the tailgate drop. Mud ain't dry, we just can't stop. Stars flicker out, but the fire still pops. Boot prints, beer cans, outlaw stomp. Back row laugh, grit on the tongue. Old dogs barking with the youngest one. Cold in my chest, sweating my hair. Ain't got much, but we got right here. Raise one up, let the tailgate drop. Mud ain't dry, we just can't stop. Stars flicker out, but the fire still pops. Boot prints, beer cans, outlaw stomp. Raise one up, tailgate drop. Boot prints trailing to the dawn. Yeah, oh, mud and metal on my mind, I'm wild and on the run. Lifted, rolling, revs and rattles, chasing down the sun. Boots and bonfire blaze, my brothers by my side. American thunder stomping, we on this reckless ride. Sunset drops, dust gets kicked, throttle twisting tight. Crunch of gravel, laughter rolling, heartbeats in the night. Blue jeans streak with stubborn stains, stained hands gripping cans. Engines grumble, steel strings tumble, freedom in the land. Flags waving, fires raging, spit in the smoky air. Back row, backbeat, pounding feet, a wild southern prayer. Oh, mud and metal on my mind, I'm wild and on the run. Lifted, rolling, revs and rattles, chasing down the sun. Boots and bonfire blaze, my brothers by my side. American thunder stomping, we on this reckless ride. Scuffed up stickers, fresh caught fish, salt and sweat and cheer. Every echo bounces both from fender, field and ear. Beer cans clank, banjos ring, boots battle thick brown clay. Holler hymns and hazy grins, rolling just our way. Slap that steel and let it slide, twist that banjo, bounce and ride. Thunder shakes the midnight dirt. Yeah! Brotherhood in every word. Mud and metal on my mind, I'm wild and on the run. Lifted, rolling, revs and rattles, chasing down the sun. Boots and bonfire blaze, my brothers by my side. American thunder storm. this reckless ride. Heavy heads, heat still hung, sunrise splits the haze. Boot print stamped in southern ground, fireworks and praise. Shoulders leaning where we stand, shout it bold and true. Burning bright, bound by night, backwoods breaking through. Reckless ride. Oh! Yeah, 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 yeah. Time to ride, time to ride. Let's go. Turn it up loud now. Pull up in my ride wheels, kicking up the dust and grime. Been waiting all week, now it's finally party time. Got my crew beside me, windows down, we feel alive. Hit the gas pedal hard, watch the countryside collide. Brothers by my side, we've been tight since we were small. Never back down from a fight, we stand 10 feet tall. Mud on my boots, dirt beneath my fingernails. Freedom in my veins, ain't no way that I could fail. We ride through the back roads, thunder in our souls. Engines roaring loud, that's how our story goes. Flag waving high, pride pumping through my chest. This is how we live, forget about the rest. Back road thunder, take you under, make you wonder. Back road thunder, back road thunder. Let's go! Fire burning bright, bottle cold inside my grip. Brotherhood runs deep on this wild country trip. Diesel fuel and sweat, that's a scent of who we are. Kick up dirt clouds, see us coming from afar. Ain't no city slicker, this is where my heart belongs. Raised up on these trails, this is where I feel strong. You can try to break me, but my spirit won't bend. Country in my blood till the very bitter end. Turn the music loud, feel the bass shake the ground. This is our time, this is our sound. We ride through the back roads, thunder in our souls. Engines roaring loud, that's how our story goes. Flag waving high, pride pumping through my chest. This is how we live, forget about the rest. Back road thunder, take you under, make you wonder. Back road thunder. Let's go. When the sun goes down, we light up the night. Light it up. Brothers stand together, ready for the fight. This land made us tough, this dirt made us real. Country pride forever, that's exactly how we feel. We ride through the back roads, thunder in our souls. Engines roaring loud, that's how our story goes. Flag waving high, pride pumping through my chest. This is how we live, forget about the rest. Back road thunder, take you under, make you wonder. Back road thunder, yeah, that's right. Back road thunder, we out here till the end. Boom! Stop, Lola! Yeah! Raise a flag, good, stomp, proud. Mud on the fender, we stand out loud. Lift it high. Chrome shines under these clouds. Brothers at the fire, country gets wild. Freedom burns, shout it out, strong and loud. Crack a cold one does, fly in the night. Grit on the grill, I feel that rebel bite. Outlaw hearts, knuckles up, never hide. Blood on the boots, take the bumpy ride. Bonfire crackling, sweat and steel. Home in the sticks, honest and real. La,
at the fire, country gets wild. Freedom burns, shout it out, strong and loud. Hands on the wheel, roar through the dirt, rolling midnight, gritting my shirt. Cowboy veins, veins built from grit, roar to the end, this is it. Moon cut deep, wild hearts sing. Grip that wheel, let freedom ring. Raise the flag, proud, put on the fender. We stand out loud, we stand out loud. Lifted high, chrome shines under these clouds. Love is at the fire, country gets wild. Yeah, yeah, la la. Freedom burns, shout it out, strong and loud. La la.
Stomp it down. Hola, stomp it down. Thunder rolling under lifted wheels. Bonfire lighting up a wild-eyed field. Flags wave free where the mud gets real. Yeah. Boots on the ground, hear the heartland steal our deal. Big chrome grill splitting dust through the night. VA8 growling, brothers leaning to the side. Southern pride blazing, rough edges never hide. Stomp the pedal, we don't ask why. Steel strings cry low as the beer cans pile. Moon on the dash, grin stretching miles. Crackle in the fire boost, gathering grime. Nights outlaw code, we live by that style. Hey, who's stomp? Tailgate anthem, crowd calling my name. Sweat on my cap and the mud in my veins. Thunder rolling under lifted wheels. Bonfire lighting up a wild-eyed field. Stop the flags, wave free where the mud gets real. Boots on the ground, hear the heartland steal our deal. Hands in the air, let that freedom bite. Steel on banjo lick, slicing through the night. Locked in this moment, crowd chants ignite. Brothers in steel, we ride and unite. Rooster tail high, carving ruts by the pit. Shouts cut the dark, rough laugh habits. Engine heat rising, energy hits. Outlaws together, that's how we fit. Split second silence, then the party rebounds. Smoky kiss flannel boots, digging the ground. Raucous believers in the thunderous sound. Stomp, holler, raise them, let the echoes resound. Thunder rolling under lifted wheels. Bonfire lighting up a wild-eyed field. Flags wave free where the mud gets real. On the ground, hear the heartland steal our deal. Hola, hola, with thunder rolling now. Stamped in our veins, can't nobody slow us down.